everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kelly Jo at Delta Moxie. Today we are going to work on my Soltek easel. This is my plein air easel. It's been to Europe with me 3 times. It's fit into this little suitcase. I love it. It has these locking legs, this mechanism on these legs, and once I pull them out, they're locked. Except when this little part, see that little black plastic part? If you're rough on them, it can break. And that has happened with one of my legs. This one does not lock because it thinks the release button is happening, but it isn't. I called Soltek and I said, that piece inside there is broken. Help. Help me. He answered, was very helpful, and he said, I know what you're talking about. Now there's a screw on it right here. Just be careful and work with it. So we're gonna do that today. Okay, Soltek sent these to me. They sent them for free. He sent me several, just in case it happens again. This is what it looks like. So thank you, Soltek. So if this happens to you and your Soltek easel, call Soltek. We have our Phillips head screwdriver. He said to be careful. I'm going to slip this rubber foot off like that. Okay, I couldn't get this out, so I went to get some hemostats. Okay, so I gripped pretty hard with those. I think needle nose pliers would work just fine. So it came out that way. The square end was in there. This is the released button. There's a spring, I think, yeah, there's a spring in there. Let me see. Okay. What's in here? There's a little rod inside there. Do you see that little rod? I'm going to lift it up with the hemostats so it can fit inside. I think it slides inside of that. I don't know if you can see it. So on that square end, I need 5 hands. That rod that's inside, you need to slide that within this little notch right there. I'll take the rubber foot and slide it in. Slide all that business back in there. All right. Shall we screw this back on? So that's it. There is a little trick to it. That trick was there is a rod inside of this leg, and the rod needs to fit within this notch, and its natural tendency is to hit the bottom. So you just need to lift it up so it can catch inside of there, and then you slide it on in. Well, thanks for watching my video on how to fix the release button mechanism if it breaks. Mine was broken. I could see it. There should not be a crack in this area. Just call Soltek and they'll send you the part you need. If I couldn't find a video about it, maybe I could make one, and it might help you when you go to replace this little plastic part. We'll see you next time. What will we do next time? Bye.